Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. So today, with my CZ457 with the IBI barrel, we're going to do a redo of Eley Match. 40 rounds, 10 foulers, 4 or 5 shot groups. Fifth group's a 10 shot group. That's 40 shots. All the data recorded from the magneto speed will be displayed at the end of the video. Let's see what we can do. Round count on this barrel now is just over 900 rounds, so let's see if it changes from the last one we shot. Alright, here we go. Ah, great. Smashed up a bullet. Well, see if it'll still feed to get our last shot in. This is our fouling group anyway, so if we screw it up, it's not the end of the world. Chambered. Now it's still ended up with the group. And as far as fouling groups go, that looks pretty nice. I'm going to move the group 1/10 to the right. Now we'll go down 1/10 and we'll do our first 5-shot group. So the Eley match is looking a little bit better this time so far, but we haven't even started yet, so don't get too excited. One whole group, can't ask for better than that. So obviously the barrel wasn't broken in the first time we did this test, so let's keep rolling through this test and see what we can find. Group number 2. I'm going to come down 1/10. Wow, another one whole group. So Eley Match, might be my new ammo for this rifle, since the SK stuff kind of jams up and the Lapua stuff kind of jams up in it, doesn't extract right. CCI and the Eley seem to be working mint, so let's just keep going with this group and see what happens. Group number 3. Let's head over to group number 4. this, I don't know. This stuff is actually blowing my mind now. This is the best stuff I've shot out of this rifle with this barrel combo. So our last group, the 10-shot group. Let's see if we can't screw it up. Well, awesome results. Hopefully the data from the magneto speed reflects what we're seeing on paper down there. But this stuff is kicking ass. Like, Eley Match. Who would have thought, right? Alright guys, so data is up now, and hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you next week, and thanks for coming out. Take care, guys.